Scotsman trying Australian snacky snacks. So this lovely lady, Annie, has sent all of this from Australia. Ooh. I'm not going to open everything, but I'm going to start with these. Baked pea crisps. Here goes. They look like peas. Wow. And only 100 calories. I'm going to smash the bag in. Chocolate spread on shapes. Start with one of them. Wow. Wow. Barbecue. I'm not sure if that'll go good with chocolate. Bugger it. Try it anyway. It doesn't smell like chocolate. What in God's earth is that? Oh man, I can't get rid of the tape. What is that? That is a minus 100. That is rotten. These are good though. Next, Tim Tam. Tim Tam. These look sexy. Wow. It's like a fully covered bourbon biscuit. With sexy bourbon biscuit. 10 out of 10. I'll keep the rest for another day. I'm going to tuck into these. Oh my god. Wow.